Pregnancy during COVID-19 pandemic. Things every would-be mother should know. These are desperate times. None of us could have predicted a pandemic like this. Our lives have turned upside down, but we cannot stop living. Can we? Life doesn't stop. This is why there are millions of women around the globe who are nurturing life in their wombs. This doesn't mean they are not scared. Yes, they are, and it's understandable. But one thing that can make a difference in these uncertain times is optimism. Pregnancy during a pandemic is very difficult, but it is not impossible. The good news is you are at no greater risk of catching the COVID-19 than any other healthy adult. In fact, in most cases where pregnant women were involved, the symptoms of COVID-19 were quite mild. Since the pandemic is still going on, the researchers are still studying this aspect, and up until now, the studies have shown that you are not at greater risk of catching the COVID-19 during pregnancy. The study based on the UK obstetric surveillance system reveals that women in the third trimester of pregnancy are slightly more susceptible to catching this infection. So, it has been advised that pregnant women strictly practice social distancing 28th week onward. The study also reveals that your child is not a high-risk baby if you have tested positive for COVID-19. The newborns easily fight off this infection and mostly don't catch it. Those who do catch it do not show any trends that mothers should be scared of. So, if you are a pregnant woman in these tough times, just follow these simple rules. First, be optimistic. Keep away from social media and news. Avoid any negative coverage of this pandemic that may give you stress. 2. Stay connected with your family, friends, and relatives. Keep talking to them. Keep yourself happy by watching comedy movies and light shows that take the stress off of you. Third, your food and diet should be the biggest concern for you. Eat not just a balanced diet, but also a diet which boosts your immunity. Remember, your immunity is your unborn baby's biggest protective cover. Fourth, follow a fixed routine every day which includes at least 8 hours of sound sleep and half an hour of exercise. Try to stick to your timings of going to bed, waking up, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Discipline is your greatest friend right now. Fifth, make it a habit to include any form of breathing exercise, meditation, and yoga in your daily routine. You really need these in present times. Trust us. Sixth, do not skip any meeting with your doctor. Regular checkups are a must. But yes, whenever you visit your doctor, do not forget the rules of social distancing and wearing a mask. As soon as you come back from your appointment, take a warm water bath with lots of soap. 7th, if you are working from home, avoid the work-related stress at any cost. It is not good for you in these times. If you are not a working professional, devote a part of the day towards something that makes you really happy, like pursuing a hobby. 8th, this is not the time for munching and eating late-night snacks. You can't afford to be careless. Eat a fulfilling and balanced diet whenever you sit to eat, and it better be homemade healthy stuff. 9. Listen to music. Even during normal times, music is good during pregnancy. So, in times like these, it should be a habit. You can switch on your favorite music before going to bed, or while reading a book or cooking your food. Just any kind of music that lifts your mood up. 10. Keep in regular touch with your doctor. Always remember, no question is a stupid question. So, whatever bugs you about you or the baby or anything new that you are feeling, just discuss this with your doctor. Dear women, times are tough. But when a woman carries a baby inside her, that's the toughest thing in the entire universe. So do not forget, you are brave, you are amazing, and you are invincible. No petty virus can harm you or your baby if you don't let it. Have a happy pregnancy.